It's starting.
Alright, so this is a video for Mark and Eminem to show him the two machines that he is getting. The first one is the Piranha, so this one is the edge machine. As it starts hitting these rollers, it'll push that roller out and activate the head. And it's just going through right now. Never stand at the other end. All of these are polishing. The last two are beveling. This one's the front, and that one's the back one. Okay, so now you can see, come down here, Cam, that this piece, as it comes through, it's all shiny. Try and get a shot there of the edge. So beveled, front and back, shiny here on the edge. So that's all checked off the list and ready to go. So now we're going to keep it rolling. And what I'm going to show Mark is we're going to switch gears real quick. I'm going to show you how the saw runs. And how I load material. So, this is the saw that you're buying. And this is the Johnson, this is the 1B. I'm sorry, this is not the 1B. This is the Johnson marble machinery. Okay. So I just pick it up. And push it on. Okay, so what I'm going to show you on this one is you can see the readout on it and the control panel. So I'll show you how to use it, how it works, and the cutting time on the saw. So this here is it's a piece of engineered material. It's a full slab. Let's get this out of the way. Oh. I'm running recycled water. Just because water isn't free here. So, this saw, what it does is you've got your up, down, left, right, and they all have their own speed control. You've got your forward and reverse, all with their own speed control. The only thing that is not working on this is the laser, because the laser burnt out, but I have a laser on another saw. If you feel so inclined as to want to take it off and use it, I don't. So, for cutting, I usually just make sure that I've got enough that I'm cutting off the crappy stuff and only have good material left. So let's just make sure that it works. And with this saw, water turns on when you turn the blade on. So it's just going to traverse, it's going to go down there to the end. We'll fire it up. It's got proximity sensors. So up on the top you can see there's a proximity sensor. The light's going to go off. So you set your blade height and depth. So I just marked it on here so it's idiot proof. I line up that mark with that mark, and that way if I have somebody else running the saw, that's as fast as I really want them to go. That would be how you turn the laser on. You can zero these things out and use it so that when we traverse, go forward and backwards, it'll count for you. I double check it anyway. So now there's your cut time. This slab here is a 119 by 55. So now you're going to see how good it cuts note of here for you. As this video right now is at 10 minutes and 44 seconds. We've already loaded a slab. We've polished 112 inches. We put it back in the rack. And now we have squared off the slab, and it's all going to be in under 12 minutes. Okay, so now, here's what I'll show you, if I can get my finger out of the way. So I only have a couple minutes left here to make sure that I can upload this. The table locks in, so it's got this pneumatic valve, and that ram pulls out, and it locks in at that one. We've got another 45, and then another 90. So those are hard stops. I've got air going to it because that's an air table. You have to have air going to this inline polisher and water. I just have the power running off of, so to fire it up, it's just that knife switch there. And then just to give you a little introduction then again to the shop marks, here we are, water recycling, bullnose machine, inline polisher, Johnson saw, Marmo 1B saw. Here's where we have our compressor. And Mark tells me that you're a Chevy guy, so I thought I'd end on a Ford note. And you know it's a Granite, guys, because it's got a Granite badge. Anyway, look forward to doing business with you. Thanks a bunch.